You need to learn about cars. We're a car family, so. So today, the kids around here, we're gonna try to put the fender on. So this is going to be interesting. Interesting. So I got the dent out best as I can, as you see. But I'm just gonna put it on and go from there, man.
Okay, finish.
Huh? And that's finished. I was in the same comment.
I want to put that back. Huh? That little one. Move the bumper. Wait, what? Yeah?
Where the bolt is at?
Why that light right there?
I stuck them right here.
Now I got to find the bolts.
Oh, what's this?
Let me see that, ma'am, and thank you.
Crush this right here.
Don't hit that. That's an airbag.
He need to be in front of it.
Blow that airbag out.
So now I got to find the bolts. Oh, where the bolts at? You're gonna get any one of them. Shoot. I know it's a big bolt, but oh, it's right here. Right here. I got it. Okay. Now the thing is getting the gaps, sort of. I'm just gonna follow the. Wait, Matt. Wait, Matt. The thing is getting the. You see the bolt where the bolt was at. Getting it back of how. So I'll say about right there.
Hold this on.
You mean the live?
I don't know. Or my head or my body. Trying to see. Just try to get it straightened. And where the bolt, the shadow of the bolt when we took it off the other car. That's what I'm trying to get.
Can somebody hold this car?
So if I can get the right there, it'll be too far.
Hold this
What?
one.
just talk to your live people.
It's only one person, literally. What do you expect me to do?
So I think.
I'm like,
Oh. Whew. Took me a while. I kind of don't like them gaps. I don't know if these supposed to be original like that or not, but I just realized that yesterday as I was pulling this fender off, I was bending it, so it kind of deformed. So yeah, I think that's the problem. So, but it's fender due until I get a new one or I get it painted or get, have somebody. So for this part right here, I probably just have a painter like do all this, bend all this back in and have them fix it. But the fender is deformed a little bit, but it's nothing to cry home about. But so next step is getting the hood hinges on. So I gotta find the other bolt for this. Let me find it. Now I'm gonna try the hood out. So you got this piece right here. Yeah, definitely got to clean that out, but got it. All right, so as I was saying, gotta put this in right here. Bring the camera on this side right here, please. which is this little bracket piece for this right here. This is the, I gotta figure out which way it go. I guess that way. So we gotta figure out which way, I mean not which way, where's the bolts at. So let me go find the bolts and then let me do this. This needs the right size one, I think. If it ground out, then just trying to find the body line of it. But
Why are you not short?
the devil.
I was about to grab it off the other one, but that one probably gone.
Oh, no, I'm saying I had to break it because I couldn't get to that socket. Alright, so now I got to find. Oh, there you go, right there. I can't find the other bolt. It goes right back there. I don't know if you can see it. There's a bolt that go back there. So let me put this on. So that's like that. So this go in here. Okay. Yeah, right there. Okay. So now let me put the hood on again. Take two. So I don't have my helper for the camera, so I'm gonna put the hood on off camera. So all right, so got the hood on. So now what I'm gonna do is remove this latch thing right here. Fender, I can tell you that right now. So all right, so that is taken care of. Ooh, look at that. Oh wait, I forgot. I still got to get the core support. So sort of is getting there. I might have to move this over some, but like I say, it's like this gap right here. And who cares? Look at it. Who cares? Look at it. Who cares? Look at it. But yeah, definitely have to get that, of course, cross member. Oh, perfect. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is, if I can, let's line this bumper up. You know we can't forget about the badge. The Lincoln. I was looking for a gold badge, but I can't find it, so oh well, it'll do. Oh yeah, perfect. So what I'm gonna do is just sit the light in the slot so I can just get a picture perfect looking, oh, she coming along good. Look at that. Ah, look at that. I do have to fix the gaps, of course. But look at it. Look at it. And I think I can save this bumper, which will save me money. But that's like on the back burner. I want to get everything straightened up first before I think about like cosmetic. So, but I do want to go back out to the junkyard so I can get a grill. So I'm debating on that right now. I'm liking it. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Whew, I had to take a break. I got me some food, McDonald's, but I got the grill. Right here. I'm gonna get a newer one in the long run because this one is broken. Like in the back, the clips, and plus it's doing that. But hey, it's just temporarily until. So I'm gonna put this on and let's see how it looks. Nice, nice. Whew. Yes, I'm gonna have my uncle help me put this in. Push this more in because that little bracket that's in here, like I said, it kind of push. It kind of push from the fender. So when it's supposed to be close to the fender. So I'm gonna have my uncle help me push that out. But the thing is, this side for the gap looks pretty spot on, but I think I might going to have to push the hood over that way a little bit, but it's coming along pretty good and I'm happy. I am very happy with it. That's gonna have to be pushed under there a little bit. So I'm very happy with it. Nice. And luckily I put the ground on the fender. The wipers are working good. I thought it was an electrical problem, but it's not. It was just them two grounds that needed to be grounded onto the fender. So the wipers are working now again. So yeah. So I think this is gonna be it for the video. Sorry for this one is short. I usually want to make this one longer, but because I'm excited about this car. But this is gonna be it for this video. Next video we're gonna put the core support and everything in and clean it up, etc. Do touch-ups here and there, headlights, and go from there. So I will see you guys in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.